everyone, today's video I am so excited to bring you guys. It is a Walmart haul. I have not done one of these in forever, and this is a fall haul. Fall is really just around the corner. I'm sorry to say it. I'm personally excited about it, but I know a lot of you guys are probably fans of summer out there. Think about it though, in 4 months, it's gonna be Christmas time. So I have so many items to share with you guys that are super affordable in this haul and that are dupes to name brand products. Starting off with this No Boundaries Fit and Flare Plaid Mini Dress. It comes in sizes extra small to 2XL and it retails for only $16.98. I love the fit of it. It kind of hugs you in the right places and then curves out in the right places. It's a little bit more form-fitting. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of Clueless for some reason, and this is really trendy for fall. There are so many dresses you can find like this that are absolutely beautiful and great if you're going to do some family photos. There is another one that is an olive color and it is so beautiful. I ended up getting this one, love the way it fits, and I actually ordered the other one because of how much I like this, and the price point is amazing. As always, I will have all the products linked down below for you guys, as well as the numbers on the screen to make it easier for you to find in the description box. I ended up pairing this dress with this US Polo Association crossbody brown legacy bag. It is $25. There are two other options. I like this purse for that price point. It is really, really nice. And again, it is something that is great for fall and it's very similar in look to other name brand purses. You can take the strap off, turn it into just a handheld handbag. You guys, at Walmart, I found my new favorite jeans. They are by Free Assembly. It's their Larchmont high-rise pocket jeans. These come in sizes 0 to 24 wide, and they do have regular short and long options. They retail for $30, and they are pretty much dupes to the Maywell Emmett wide leg patch pocket jeans that are super trendy. Now, I am 5'4", and short pants work better on me than just regular pants. If I wear something that's regular, lots of times I am stepping over them. So this worked out great for me. I got a 6 short and they fit perfectly. I'm also somebody who has a mom pouch. My stomach especially bloats. And so for me, I have to be careful if I'm wearing something that's a little too tight because it gives me gas pain. And this doesn't do that. I like these so much. Now, the t-shirt I'm pairing this with is actually a men's t-shirt. I got this idea from Sarah Jane at Chic on the Cheap. It is by Free Assembly. It is their cotton tees for $10. Comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. I always size down when I buy anything that is men's, so I got an extra small. I really like the way that this looks. It fits my body really nicely. As long as I tuck the t-shirt into my pants, it looks a bit more form-fitting. It is very soft and it comes in so many different colors. I got dark brown and I actually ordered orange and I did not get that, but I'm excited to get it in because I do like the fit and the feel of this. And at $10, I think that is a great price. The belt I am wearing with these jeans is from Walmart. It is by Time and True. It's their mixed loops belt. It retails for $12 and it comes in sizes small/medium all the way up to 2XL. I really needed a belt. I only had one belt and it was really beaten up. I got it on clearance at Walmart 7 years ago, something like that. I like the way that this one looks. I needed something brown too. Now, I paired these jeans with two different shoes. First up, these Scenario low profile sneakers. They retail for $26.98 and come in sizes 6 to 11. I got a 7.5. These actually remind me of Tory Burch Hank sneakers that retail for $128. I really wanted some brown sneakers for fall. I keep getting ads for these Van sneakers that retail for $65. I saw these at Walmart and I'm like, they look just as good to me, and so I ended up picking those up. I like the way that these look and I feel like they would be paired nicely with so many different types of clothing. There's some other options for these sneakers, including a cheetah option that I was thinking about getting, and I also decided to pair it with these No Boundaries double strap footbed sandals. They retail for $18.98 and come in sizes 6 to 11. Again, there are some other designs if you want them, like a burgundy sandal and an all black. I went with the cheetah design. These are nice if it's still hot outside. You know, some people, it never turns fall, and then for others, it goes straight from fall to winter. So I've got some options here for you. And these bracelets I'm wearing are also from Walmart. I saw Sarah Jane at Chic on the Cheap share these and I had to have them. They're only $7.98. They are very similar to the Bobble Bar bracelets that retail for $68 just for a set of 3. These give off the same type of vibe. They're by Time and True and it's their gold tone texture cast bracelet set. I have another purse that is perfect for fall. It is by Free Assembly. It is their medium women's tote handbag. It's a plaid design. I got the dark brown plaid. There's also a yellow plaid that is really pretty. It was just sold out when I had bought this one. There is a strap here so you can have it as a tote bag. Take that off, it turns into a handbag. Really nice, and it's great for moms out there who need something a little bit bigger, and maybe that other bag I shared with you guys is just a little too small. You need something to hold some extra diapers, maybe some extra clothes, some toys. This works well. This bag is also similar to a lot of other bags I see that are trending right now for the fall time. Now let's move on to what I'm wearing, which is actually a sleeping top. So Joy Spun has these beautiful pajama tops and bottoms. They're sold separately so you can mix and match. The tops are $9.98 and the bottoms are $16.98. They come in sizes extra small to 3XL and they have so many colors and I like that they are more neutral. Now I like to wear these as tops because first of all they look like everyday tops and I like the fit of them. I told you guys I tend to like things that are a little bit more loose. I like longer sleeves and then I don't like the shirt to be like too long because then I feel like it makes me look a little bit boxy. So this is just short enough but long enough for me. So that is why I tend to wear these as just everyday tops as well because I do really like the way that they look on me. If there's something you can count on Walmart to have, it is Peanuts Charlie Brown theme items. And this year they got in these really cute pajama sets. They're $16.98, come in sizes extra small to 3XL. I got the Great Pumpkin one. I love Charlie Brown, the Great Pumpkin. I love Charlie Brown, the Christmas Story one. These are so cute. I love the color of them. They do have other versions. I only saw the white one online beside this one. I will link them down below for you guys. I love the fit of these, super soft, great if you sweat in the nighttime like I do. Thank you, perimenopause. And so these are very lightweight if you get hot even in the fall. Who doesn't love a cozy sweatshirt for fall? I found this Athletic Works fleece sweatshirt that is cinched on the back. Now this retails for $20.98. It comes in sizes extra small to 4XL. Comes in different colors and it reminds me of Lululemon's gathered waist pullover. Just something about the way that one cinches and then the Walmart one, they just give off the same vibe to me. When it comes to holidays, my favorite thing to buy clothing wise from Walmart are their pajamas because I like to use them in videos and I just really like them. Right now they have the 2-piece sets for Halloween. You're gonna get a top and a pair of shorts, and these are $16.98. They come in sizes extra small to 3XL, and they have so many different designs. I got the pink set this year that has a bunch of different things: cats, pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, skeletons, candy on it. There's a really cute coffee one this year. I got one like that last year, so I passed on this one. They just have so many designs to choose from and they are so soft. They are like such a great quality. I'm just the biggest fan of Walmart pajamas. I don't buy pajamas from anywhere else beside Walmart. Way to Celebrate also has some pajamas that you can mix and match. The tops are $9.98 and the bottoms are $13.98. Both come in sizes extra small to 3XL. I got the white pajamas that have skeletons, jack-o'-lanterns, ghosts on them. Perfect for Halloween. And then you can do these bottoms that are like sweatpants slash pajama pants, and these also are $13.98. Now onto the fun stuff, high-end looking Halloween decor that I do not see lasting long at Walmart at all. Starting off with these black jack-o'-lanterns. They're $19.97 each. This one is 9 inches tall and this one is 13 inches tall. They give off the same type of vibe of the Pottery Barn jack-o'-lanterns that retail for $50 to $150. These look so high-end, especially because of the texture. It doesn't look plastic. It almost looks ceramic. It might actually be. I really like the textured look on it, and that's what I feel like makes it look like it costs more than $19.97. There is a light in the inside. I do not see these lasting long at all. This 18-inch by 30-inch outdoor mat by My Texas Home is only $9.97. Listen, I buy things like this all the time from Home Goods. They're not $9.97, especially at this size. I was amazed by this. They also have another mat to choose from if you're interested in that one, but this one really caught my eye. I'm so excited about this My Texas Home Halloween knit throw. It retails for $24.97. I think it's going to match my decor really nicely. I went with like a vintage theme this year. I wanted it to lean more with the 90s than anything, even though I know right here it's a little bit older than the 90s. I'm having a little bit of a hard time, so I'm just mix and matching different vintage pieces together. And this kind of gives it that look to me because it looks a little bit like patches. I have had such a hard time finding vintage Halloween items this year that are a good price, and any at all at the thrift stores and antique malls near me. I really want like a vintage throw that is patchwork but truly vintage, and I've just had a hard time finding it. And with this My Texas Home Halloween collection, my favorite thing is this cauldron. It is $29.97, but again, it has a high-end look to it. I love the texture of it. This is something where you're not gonna pay $29.97 for it. This is something that's gonna cost more money. These plastic cauldrons I buy, the small one, like I have a small one that was $29, and it looks nothing like this. It looks cheap in plastic. This is a nice quality, great for DIYing. If you're looking for some greenery for Halloween, Walmart has got you covered. My Texas Home has this layered foliage arrangement in vase. It is $19.97. It is a plum color. Again, I think this is a great price. They have so many great items in this collection where you're looking at it and it looks like stuff from Pottery Barn, from Crate and Barrel, from Anthropologie, but it's a fraction of the cost. And if you're like, Halloween is not my thing, they do have fall items like these etched leaf pumpkins by Way to Celebrate. There's an 8-inch one, and this one is $12.97, and then the smaller one is $9.97. These are beautiful, and they again have so many other items to choose from, like these glass pumpkins that are super affordable and look so high end. Now, I do have some kids items for fall that I do want to share with you guys, just in case you are looking for some new pieces for your kiddos. I want to start off with these hoodies that I buy year after year at Walmart. I like them because they are a thick hoodie. They last a long time. And then during the winter time, if you need something to layer over, like underneath your kid's coat, these work really well. It is by Wonder Nation. It is their tough hoodies. They are a thicker hoodie. They have fleece in the inside. They retail for $17.98 and comes in sizes extra small to extra large. These are for kids, so they don't have any toddler sizes. I do tend to go up a size because my kids grow throughout the year. They're still small, so they grow pretty fast. I mean, technically, my kids are a little on the short side, but they still grow, you know, nonetheless. So I get like solid colors for my son, usually darker colors because the kid is always getting dirty. And then my daughter loves pink, so I got her the pink one and then this pink and blue one. I like these hoodies a lot for kids. I'm not joking. I think they're perfect. Next up, this is so cute for a girl for fall, but I got this for Noelle in particular because I want to do some fall family photos. We are so bad at taking family photos, so my plan is to take some this fall, and I got her this really cute set. It is by Modern Moments by Gerber. It retails for $20.98. So I got this pink one. There are 5 designs to choose from total. I thought that this would be really cute and not going with the typical orange brown colors with her, just because I told you guys she loves pink so much, and I just think she's gonna love this and look so cute in it. And finally, for kids, Walmart is releasing their Halloween t-shirts, and for boys they have the cutest shirts. Honestly, if they had this in a larger size, I'd probably pick it up. They got this Goosebumps one that I got, and then a Jack Skellington. Let me tell you guys, I get pretty much all of my kids clothing from Walmart, and I don't know how many times since my son has been in school that I have gotten compliments about his clothing. And sometimes I'm like, it's Walmart. There's so many people that own this, but I'm like, does nobody shop at Walmart near me? Like, that's where I get his clothing, and it lasts. My gosh, you go to H&M, you go to Zara, you buy these graphic t-shirts and they shrink up so fast and they fray so easily. Walmart shirts hold up wash after wash, and they look so nice. Like, they have upped their game so much in all departments, including the children's clothing. They also have Halloween t-shirts for girls. The boys and girls t-shirts retail for $8.98, and they come in sizes extra small to 2XL. There are also Halloween toddler shirts. I did get a Hello Kitty one. There's this really cute strawberry shortcake one that I like a lot, and those retail for $7 because they are the toddler shirts, and they come in sizes 12 months to 5T. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have not done a Walmart video in a while. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these. I feel like Walmart videos are especially fun during the holidays because that's when Walmart really shines. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't seen, I did recently upload a Walmart haul that I'll link down below for you guys, especially in the comments if you want to check it out, where I did haul a bunch of fall and Halloween items at Dollar Tree, and they have some amazing finds this year. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.